Hello South Africa. Rand Water announces 17 hours planned shutdown next week. Rand Water is planning a shutdown that will take place for 17 hours from 7 o'clock to midnight on Wednesday, August 9th. According to Johannesburg Water, the purpose of the planned maintenance is for Rand Water to repair leaking bypass pipelines, as well as valves on the F33, F40 and F44. Supply to Chiawilo and Doornkop West reservoirs will be affected, as well as the direct feeds to the Chepesong and Chiawilo regions. As a result, customers in these reservoir zones and direct feed supply will be affected by low pressure to no water. Johannesburg Water also urges customers to use water sparingly during the shutdown. Direct feed areas include all Chepesong, phases 1 to 7, all Ibamnandini informal settlement, all Slovoville village, all Slovoville compound and Leritong village. Areas fed by the Chiawilo reservoir include Lone Hill Extension 6-8, Chiawilo, Chiawilo Extension 4, Chiawilo Extension 1, Klipriviusing Extension 1, Klipriviusing Estate, Dlamini Extension 1, Dlamini, Protea Glen Extension 1, Protea Glen EXT, Chiawilo Extension 5, Protea Gardens, Protea South Extension 1, Chiawilo Extension 2, Protea North Extension 9, Mapetla Extension 1, Protea North Extension 1, Protea Glen Extension 8 and 9. Areas affected by the Doornkop Reservoir include Thulani, Thulan Extension 1 and 2, Laffering Extension 1, Dobsonville Extension 9, Doornkop Extension 3, Protea City, Protea Glen Extension 1 and 4. Recovery may take up to 48 hours after the completion of the maintenance by work by Rand Water. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.